A developer installs a package. Just one command. Everything builds perfectly. No errors. But something invisible just got installed too. No warning. No pop-up. This is a malicious NPM package attack. An attacker uploads a fake or poisoned package to a public library developers trust. It looks useful, popular, even legit. But inside, hidden code is waiting. Here's how it works. The developer installs the package. It runs automatically during setup. Scripts execute in the background, accessing files, stealing data, opening backdoors, all without being noticed. Sometimes it's not even a fake package. Attackers hijack real ones and push a malicious update. Same name. New danger. Attackers love this because developers trust open source, and one install can infect entire systems. It happens in web apps, startup projects, enterprise development pipelines, anywhere code is reused. Here's how to stay safe. Always verify packages and their maintainers before installing. Avoid blindly installing trending or unknown libraries. Use security tools to scan dependencies for risks, because sometimes the code you import imports a threat with it. Follow me before hackers follow you.